What's the but? Cars, clothes, jewelry, all that other bullshit that don't mean shit after you buy it.
Alright, no more bullshitting. Desk, IKEA. Here we come.
About to ride this week.
Them songs don't talk about advise you not to say. Try to jump on my spot, you must got me mistake. I'm mistook, where the cook, I just cook, how we look. Them jumps on my block and they all filled with payments. Young ducks on my jock and they all built to take it. What you cook,
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. All right, so I'm here at IKEA. No more bullshit. I'm about to get this desk. Word. I'm looking for a desk, obviously with drawers and stuff. So right now I'm thinking about this one and that other one right there. Yeah, this shit is more difficult than I thought. Hopefully I find something though. Alright, so I've decided on this joint right here. This is my desk. It's coming home with me.
You're gonna pay now, you're gonna pay on layaway.
No frills, no thrills. Just need the desk. I wonder if they have military discount.
Hell no, goddammit.
This is gonna be my next move. I'm gonna get some art for the wall. Not art. I'm gonna get some pictures for the wall. All right, don't tell me that I got all the way here and they don't have the desk that I want, because I'll hate to have to walk all the way back. IKEA think they slick. They got you walking through that whole store just to get to checkout, and you gotta look at all that shit. But anyway, yo, shout out to Cadillac Jackson. He was the one that gave me the motivation to come out here. I know you was probably thinking about the Brooklyn one, but I don't go to Brooklyn.
Oh no.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, shout out to Brooklyn, but you know, I'm good. Got like 15 minutes to the Alabama game. I'm gonna at least check out like some of that first half. I'm gonna get something to eat out here. I was gonna check out Bahama Breeze. I remember somebody told me about Bahama Breeze, but I don't know. I'm gonna see what kind of sports bars around here. All night long. Pause. All right, so in and out of there just like a robbery. Now I'm trying to get something to eat. Hungry. So yeah, I ain't know, man. Follow me. Yeah, shout out to whoever told me about Bahama Breeze, but if it ain't good, y'all damn sure gonna hear about it. So damn sure it seems like a spot you'll eat at in the summertime though. Alright, so now I'm about to assemble this damn desk. It's gonna take about 5 hours, but it's all good. I got some Johnny Walker Double Black, so let's see how this up. But anyway, yo, see y'all in a second. Well, I'll really see y'all tomorrow. In and out there just like a robbery. I tried to go a little late today at church. I needed my daily bread, but I still need my free Veterans Pizza. I got like 4 minutes left, so I gotta go get this.
And then that's not gonna happen.
Man, these niggas be bugging, yo. They don't like bets out here.
Back here, there's nothing.
Now I feel bad for dipping out of church mat early. Anyway, yo, follow me. Favorite view of the Bronx. Word. Anyway, I know what you're asking yourself. Did you have that on yesterday? I damn sure did. But what happened was, I didn't get to do my on foot, so I was like, you know what? I'll throw this on for church. I'm gonna rock this all day. I definitely will not, you know what I'm saying? So now that we got that out the way, back to more pressing matters.
Rhymes are dope, the tempo is steady.
You ready? Let's rip up the box like confetti.
Double LP from Wu-Tang Clan.
Okay, so I'm probably gonna end up having to load this joint up. Don't pay attention to that. I'm probably gonna keep the box because I'm not just gonna toss it right away. Like, hello, you know, come rob me. Nah, I finally got my desk, got the computer set up, so we cooking out here. Yo, I'm about to get up out of here because I gotta change. My cousin's up here from Charlotte, so we about to go kick it. Watch out for that rat though. Nah, I'm just joking. I'm just like...
You walk up and down the street all day playing.
That's gonna be on the other vlog, but yeah, so got my joint, man. I'm probably gonna have to update. It's probably like 2 years old already. I'm hyped though. I'm hyped that I got my joint, got everything set up. I figured yesterday, I was like, yo, man, I ain't going for them chlorophylls. Forget that. I'll get them down the line. I ain't in a rush. Priorities first. Make sure, yo, if you anything in life, just in life in general, priorities first. Damn, all that other stuff will come. Just make sure your priorities are good. Maintenance on your whip, you know what I'm saying? Paying your bills, good credit. That goes further than, you know, having the flyest sneaks or the latest sneaks. Damn, all that shit. That means nothing.
Oh, fool, shut up. You be doing that shit too.
I'm trying to figure out what this is. Why I don't have a damn, I don't know, like a wire for this.
What are you, a retard?
I don't know. Good. I like to take everybody to that spot too, matter of fact. This is the Bronx. So yeah, like I said, we got this joint working. I'm about to get up out of here. But yeah, like I said, priorities over all that other BS. You know what I'm saying? Once you get your priorities straight, everything else will fall into place. I get into all that later. You know, I've been doing a lot of cleaning up here. You probably can't tell right now, but I've been doing a lot of cleaning. I'm trying to get out with the old, bring the new shit in. But anyway, like I said, I'm not no motivational speaker. But anyway, about to get up out of here. I'd like to thank everybody that's been rocking with me. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be that Snubs. It's your boy Wavy. It's my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you rocking with me like this, let me get like 250 likes on this joint right here. Matter of fact, let me get 300. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.